What you got in the box?
This is welding stuff down there. Welding instructions. It's a plastic cup.
Dang, bro. Dang. Got new brakes, calipers, hubs, everything for the front, brand new, still in the box. Got brand new disc brakes for the back. And he was talking about maybe just cutting the back half out of that extended cab and putting it on this truck. But I don't know. We never know what's going on around
Undecided
here.
on that.
I think it looked good with the 9-inch and shit on it.
I think so too. And it's there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this truck's gonna get cut up, y'all. We're getting ready to take 2 trucks and make 1 truck.
On the uneven driveway.
Yeah.
And just weld it in there.
Yeah.
We'd be doing the G-body shuffle.
By
sit
eye.
still. We pull it out on flat ground and be on 3-wheel. You got 2 trucks and both of them destroyed. Look at this shit.
Just flip it over on the scrap pile. Shit, I'm done with this shit.
Now we need a 220 plug.
What?
220? Adapter.
110 or 220.
Is
110's a little weaker, but it's still a cut. But 220, you know, it's stronger. So it's the dual. You can do the 110 or the 220. That's what I said.
All right, what we got going on? What we gonna do?
I don't know. I brought everything.
Yep.
What we gonna do?
Guess we get to work. Move the front clip and the bed out of the way, and then probably get one of those wheel chalks to carry with us.
Yeah, that'd be some shit that thing take off, ain't it?
Yeah, to get away from.
You gotta rotate.
Oh shit.
See if that works. Look, that's another thing that's looking at. You look at this cab mount, look at that one. You can't put nothing between there. Put my finger between that.
Look how
Something tells me that's
that
crooked.
one's flush with the frame. Look at that one.
Yeah.
A different side.
What is that even for? There ain't one over there.
It's a different side.
I'm trying to tell you, use the hook.
That hook down there, I ain't using the hook. That's what you keep telling me to.
It would have come right over.
That was that side. This side different. Took me with the grinder ain't nothing the same size. It's gonna be awful look. It goes on a different side.
Yeah.
You're right.
side.
It's different side. Completely different side. It's different.
Yeah.
He gonna fix his blade. Look at this. They got chewed up.
Yeah, he can fix it.
He gonna fix it.
Just watch your eyeballs.
Yeah. Think we ought to brace it up?
Huh? Yeah, you ought to put a jack under.
You think we ought to put something under it?
You ought to put a jack here and a jack under the ass end of that. So that it don't do this as you're cutting it.
Yeah. Or just start at the bottom. Work your way up.
Yeah.
That way to...
You might have easier time with the Sawzall on that, straight cut.
I'm working with a damn shitty blade here. We can just cut a line.
We running out of jack stands with all your shit.
Where's the other ones?
On your motor.
Oh shit, we need them. We got the giant ones.
Look, the wheel done fell off the truck.
I'm done. He was holding all that weight.
Can we get the jack back under it?
It looks like the whole board come apart.
Yeah, it did. Yep.
Dang.
Well, it set right on the right.
Yeah.
Oh, there went my pants. God.
I thought you just shit yourself.
Son of a bitch.
You dirty.
Dang, you want to put something?
Huh?
You want to try to get it up off there?
Yeah. We hit that right now.
Here we go, experimenting. The air compressor's too small, but we gonna do it anyway. He's gonna say screw numbers. You think you get one little cut at a time? One every.
Probably not even worth the time.
Yeah.
I could have already been cutting it.
One hole. You get one hole put in it, and then it got to build up. He said.
Like air tools.
Yeah. Did it try to cut it at all?
Yeah.
It
I
put a
didn't
little
have the
nick
amps
on
up neither. We was pushing like 15 amps or something. This shit was weak.
Weak sauce.
And also, don't be afraid. Look, see that metal thing right there?
Yeah.
Look, that's your guide. Use that as a guide. Don't be afraid to touch it.
Nah, that's how I do it.
Yeah, that's your guide.
I already know that. I was supposed to lean it and shit. I already done research this shit.
Cutting with butter now.
Hell yeah. You're on the right track. Yeah. You got too many in it.
Never used one before, so don't judge me.
You have now.
You're doing good for a first timer, to be honest, man.
I think in the book it says bad cut on that. Oh, it shut it off again?
Get out of here. They'll show you like how different metals, they'll get it out and even show you all of it and what you're doing and this and that. I just
You
know,
studied up on it. So
I
now
did a
you know.
little, but I didn't keep up with it like that. It's a lot.
Yeah. You just want to use it.
Yeah, I want to.
Just cut it off with
When
it.
I bought a welder, I just welded something.
Yeah.
First couple things fell apart. You need to go on YouTube. Hey.
Oh boy.
I think I might be cutting.
Now you might have too many amperages.
Maybe. Turning it down and up. Shit.
Twist the knob.
It
Just
don't
twist.
say no number. I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Yeah, that's a good cut right there. He's getting used to it. They're professional. Look at that. Dang, go, boy. You gonna update the people on what's going on?
Yeah.
We ain't filmed in a while.
It turned into a professional with the plasma cut. Right now, got all this cut out. Now we need to cut this off. And get this and this off of here. Might leave this. Maybe clean it up.
Yeah, we need to clean up both sides.
And then that, the half's done.
Took a while because of our little air compressor. We gotta cut some and then wait for the air to build back up. Cut and wait, cut and wait. So that's what we've been doing. But we got most of the back half cleaned up here. Like he said, we just gotta clean these tips up. And then it's pretty much ready to start on this thing.
Plasma cutter's the jank though.
Yeah. So back to work. Back to work. Let's finish this thing up. What we got going on? Tell the people.
We cut this booger stuff off finally.
On one side.
Look like this.
So we got one side almost done.
I was gonna say the sun went down, but it never came up.
It's definitely getting dark on us. So we ain't done. We still gotta move the motor. We still got a lot of shit to do.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. Let's go do some. We got a lot of stuff. We better figure out what we doing. It'll be dark. We'll be trying to clean up something.
Daggone. I was really hoping to be finished with that.
Hey, we gave it a shot.
We gave it a try. We don't know what the hell we're doing. That's the biggest thing. We're just winging it. We're just gonna do it.
Man, you gonna do
We like Nike.
it. Just do it.
Yeah. Dang, it done got dark on us. But we got everything put up here.
Crammed in here.
Yeah, we packed full of stuff in here. I didn't film a whole lot. We was trying to get this done today, but we almost accomplished. But we was taking our time. We didn't want to cut the actual back half, so we was taking our time to grind that frame off of the back half. We still got a little to do on this side, but we just ran out of time.
Gets dark super fast.
Yeah.
You got black nose.
Black nose. I got grinder breath.
I got grinder breath. Grinder mouth breath.
Yeah, your nose is black.
Yeah. Grinder breath.
We grinding and stuff all day.
Got grinder nose hairs and grinder breath.
But at least we got the back half cut out. It's almost ready to be put back into the other front. So, yeah. But I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See you.